Hi everyone and welcome to Kwixand Solutions training video for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we will learn how to receive inventory items. Efficient inventory management is crucial to ensuring smooth operations and accurate record keeping. Before items can be used, sold, or tracked within your business, it's important to follow consistent processes for receiving inventory. The first step in inventory management is to create a purchase order for the vendor. This document serves as a formal request for goods specifying quantities, descriptions, and agreed upon terms. Properly documenting the purchase order ensures clarity and facilitates smoother communication between your business and suppliers. Once products, items, or goods have arrived at your location and have been verified for accuracy and condition, the next step is to confirm their receipt in Business Central. So this will involve accessing your purchase order through purchasing, purchase orders. Once the purchase order list page opens, you can search for the specific PO number by clicking on the magnifying glass in the top corner, or simply scroll through the list to locate it. When you find the correct purchase order, open it by selecting the PO number itself. This allows you to review all order details and proceed with the receiving process. After opening the purchase order, navigate to the lines table where all order items are displayed. Review the list and confirm that the items being received match those on the purchase order. We're going to scroll to the quantity to receive. You can see we ordered 15 and 10, and the quantity to receive is going to be 15 and 10. We've confirmed that that's physically what we have received. Once those fields match the physical inventory received, you can proceed by selecting Post and Receive. This action updates your inventory records in Business Central and confirms that the items have been fully received into stock. And you can see here that we've gone from the quantity to receive to the quantity received. So what happens if an item quantity is sent in 2 shipments? And we're going to show you the process here. We're going to open our PO. The original quantity was 25 or is 25, but we're only going to receive 10 in this order. So we've updated our quantity to receive, and we're going to post the quantity to receive as 10. And you can see that the quantity to receive still remains as 15, and we've received 10. So we'll go ahead and we're going to receive the remaining 15. And to do that, we're going to go and post again and select Receive. And you can see that now it's updated to a quantity received of 25. If we want to review our receipts, we would select Order and Receipts. And you can see here, we've got a receipt of 15 and also a receipt of 10. So what happens if you received something in error? Perhaps you overstated how much you had received. So to correct that, we're going to go back into the receipts and we're going to open up the receipt. And we want to change this to a quantity of 10. So we're going to select Functions and Undo Receipt. Do you really want to undo the receipt? Yes. So you can see that it's populated a negative line entry. To undo that receipt, we go back to the line, and you can see here that it's now updated a quantity to receive of 15 again. So we can correct that and do another receipt of 10. and we still have 5 remaining to receive. So we'll receive those 5. And then this PO is completely received into inventory. That concludes our session on receiving inventory. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more training videos on Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can also visit us at Kwixand.com for more resources around Business Central. Thanks for watching.